Alright, here we go. $15. This is a Singer 604E. I bought it this morning at the thrift store for $15. Now, it is a touch and sew, whatever that means. I guess it has something to do with this, the pedal there. But it's got all the parts. Everything's here. I saw it yesterday, and I found it at Value Village thrift store. Like I said, everything is here. So I came home yesterday and I went on the internet and checked it out. Now, on my white sewing machine over here, there's a little lever here where you put your bobbin on and you can thread the bobbin. And this thing's got this little lever here. You can change the zigzag on the stitch with this little thing right here by turning it either one way or the other. And then all this, that's the light function there. So I have no damn clue what that does yet. There's the tensioner. There's a release back here. It almost looks like there's a zipper foot on there right now, but I'm not 100% sure. But the bobbin's a little weird. I'm used to the sewing machine having the bobbin flat. This fucker doesn't want to come out. Not flat. Horizontal or vertical. This one is laying flat and the bobbin's different. And the weird thing about this is, here's the bobbin. It's nowhere near like a normal bobbin is. Bottom is flat, so I have to go find more of these bobbins. But in order to spool this bobbin, it's all spooled from inside here, which is new to me. So I'm going to have to learn a new sewing machine, but it's all good because this thing's built like a tank in here. It gives you the string diagram. I was able to find on the internet. I don't know what the hell this thing does, but I found the manual and everything. I didn't have to pay for nothing. As far as the manual goes, it's all steel, it's all solid, everything's built really well. And they just don't build sewing machines like they used to. Nowadays everything's all computerized. So if you have to fix them, you have to send them somewhere and spend hundreds of dollars. On these old school sewing machines, like the white that I have, and this Singer, you know, 10 or 15 bucks, and couple hours labor, you're back in business. So I'm happy. 15 bucks. I plugged it in. The thing works. Didn't stitch my thumb up or anything. So I'm excited. I'm gonna clean it up real good, and we're gonna have a good old time with it. Now, instead of having to use in the hallway the sewing table that's there with a little bit of area, now I can go over to my kitchen table, which is highly cluttered right now with groceries and Liam's schoolwork, and Annette's crochet work. I can actually sew on the table and have the whole use of the table, or put it down in my workshop. So 15 bucks, I'm happy. Awesome.